If you're seeing Steam error 51, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix you can try step by step. This is one of the most common ways to solve the problem when Steam games are not launching properly, and the best part is that it only takes a few moments to check your game files. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and head over to your library. This is where all of your installed games are listed, so find the game that is giving you the error 51 issue. Once you've found it, right-click on the game title and choose Properties from the menu. This will open the settings page for that game. Inside the Properties window, look for the Installed Files section. This is where Steam keeps the tools you need to check whether your game installation is missing files or has anything corrupted. Click on Installed Files, and then you'll see an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. This is the most important step in the process. Go ahead and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now start scanning the game and comparing your installed files with the official versions on its servers. If anything is broken, missing, or corrupted, Steam will automatically download and replace those files for you. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, so give it some time to finish. Once the verification is complete, Steam will show you the results. If it found problems and fixed them, try launching the game again and see if the error 51 is gone. In many cases, this alone is enough to solve the issue completely. If the game still does not start, it's a good idea to restart Steam and try one more time after the scan finishes. This method works because error 51 is often caused by missing or damaged game files, and verifying the integrity of the files is the safest way to repair them without reinstalling the entire game. It saves time, keeps your settings intact, and helps you get back into the game faster. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes, gaming tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. That support really helps the channel grow, and if you want, I can also help you with more Steam error fixes in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.